what is humidity? Humidity refers to the amount of the water vapor present in the air. It is usually expressed as a percentage with 100% of humidity. That means the air is fully saturated with water vapor and can hold no more. High humidity makes the air feel warmer, while low humidity can make it feel cooler. Humidity plays a key role in weather patterns and comfort level, affecting both the environment and the human health. So, what is humidity chart? Humidity chart interprets how the amount of moisture in the air will change as the surroundings environment change. It presents the physical and thermal properties of moist air in a graphical form. The horizontal axis of the chart is what we call the dry bulb temperature. The dry bulb temperature is essential ambient air temperature, or the temperature of the air that is not affected by moisture of the air when measured by thermometer. The vertical axis is what we call specific humidity. Specific humidity refers to the actual amount of the water vapor present in the given volume of air, typically measured in a gram of water vapor per kilogram of air, or in grains of water per pound. The saturation line on humidity chart shows when air is holding the maximum amount of water vapor it can. At this point, the air's relative humidity is 100% and any extra moisture will turn into liquid like clouds or dew. So let's move on to the step 1. First, locate the specific humidity and the dry bulb temperature. Dry bulb temperature is equal to 25 degrees, while specific humidity is equal to 10 gram per kg. Then, draw the reference line from the both axes until it intercepts at a point. So let's call it as a point E. Then, draw a reference line vertically upward until it intercepts at a saturation line. Then, note the specific humidity at that point. In this case, the maximum moisture is at 25 degrees, which is equal to 20 gram per kilogram. This is what we call as maximum moisture at given temperature. Relative humidity is defined as the ratio in percentage of the amount of atmospheric moisture to the amount present in the air when saturated. In order to calculate relative humidity, we will use a formula which is specific humidity over specific humidity at saturation line multiplied by 100%.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I will continue to the next step, which is step 4. After we do a calculation of relative humidity, it should be 50%. Then we draw a line of humidity line which is lies to 50%. Next, to locate and identify the dew point, we draw a horizontal line to a saturation line, then we draw a vertical line down to the dry bulb. We got the dew point temperature is 14 degrees Celsius. The temperature at which air must be cool to achieve 100% of relative humidity. To find out the dry bulb temperature, we draw a line of 135 degrees from point A to saturation line. Then we extrapolate to a dry bulb temperature. Then we got 45.5 degrees Celsius. The point of 45.5 degree that land on the dry bulb temperature axis is the saturation temperature of air where no heat involved, or we call it as adiabatic saturation. The final step is to find out the enthalpy scale. We use the line of wet bulb temperature, then we extrapolate until it reaches enthalpy scale. In this graph, we use kg per kg. Then after we extrapolate into the enthalpy scale, we got 53.5 kg per kg.
So, I will continue about our presentation. Today, I will explain about 3 problems based on humidity chart. So, for the first question is, calculate the dew point temperature when 30 Celsius dry bulb temperature has a relative humidity of 60%. First, draw a straight line on the chart at 30 Celsius for dry bulb temperature. Next, draw another line at relative humidity for 60%. After that, first line and second line are collide and point A is created. Then, draw a horizontal line starting from point A until saturation temperature. And then, you get the answer, which is 21.5 Celsius. Next, for the second question is, what is the relative humidity when the dry bulb temperature is 21 Celsius and the wet bulb temperature is 16 Celsius? First, you need to draw a straight line on dry bulb temperature for 21 Celsius. Next, remark the point at 16 Celsius for wet bulb temperature or saturation temperature. After that, from the point, set 45 degree, then draw a line. Then we can see that the first line and second lines are collide and point A is created. And then draw a line as the third line to read the value of relative humidity. So we get the answer 58% on the chart. So for the last question is, what is the dew point temperature when air temperature is 32 Celsius and relative humidity is 30%? So basically this question have a same concept like another question. So first we need to draw a straight line on the dry bulb temperature at 32 Celsius. Then draw another line at 30% for relative humidity. After that, first line and second line are collide and point A is created. Lastly, draw a horizontal line from point A and the saturation line to get dew point temperature. Finally, the answer is 12.3 Celsius. That's all from us. Thank you.